Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name's Shane Pedersen and I like to make videos just for you. Today we're actually going to be getting the windows re-tinted, so they're nice and black, and yeah, we're going to go with 20% I do believe, so it's not super dark but it's darker than usual. So this is 35% and we're going to go a stage lower than that, so it's like not as dark as 5%. Sorry if you can't hear me that well because my air compressor in the back. It is 7:56 and it is 8 degrees in Brisbane here. To all the UK people saying that Australia is not cold in the winter time, it does get cold. It's not always a bloody sauna here. Shit, it's 7:57. I'm meant to be down there at 8 o'clock. Alright, let's go. Let's boogie. Onwards! Lucky we're only 3 minutes. She's all tucked away, nice and dark over there, mate. Come on, George, hurry up. I mean, at least I'm getting a nice tan. These ants are trying to have a little feast on me. This is why I hate apps. So, the Uber driver could have went right along here, this road here, but the app decided to send the person, aka Jeffrey, all the way along this road here to pick me up. Like, what the hell? And I'm on the other side of the road, so he'll have to chuck a Yui. Uber, fix your app. Let's get a cold start of the S3, hey? Now it's in dynamic mode. That's mad. Looks a lot better. Yep. Looks a crap ton better. Yeah, nearly done. It's nice and dark in the rear. Yeah. Really nice. What an awesome outcome. Lovely stuff. Like, it's nice and dark in the back. Even darker when you get around to the back. It's mad. And it's only 20% too. So of course I'll put their Instagram on the screen right now and you guys can get a quote through them. And yeah, they firsthand, they do an amazing job. They do up to 5%, even 1% tint. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. It was pretty cheap too. It was like $2.80, not too dear. So that was including stripping the old tint and applying this new tint. Took them like, well, dropped off at 8 o'clock. And I got it back at 1:30. So guys, this is where I'm going to leave today's video. I'm over the moon with the way it's looking, and yeah, I just can't get over it. So make sure you guys leave this video a like and also subscribe, because I don't want you guys to miss out the journey of this Focus. You know, like, I'm going to be transformation on this Focus. It's going to be unreal. So yeah, do all them fun. So yeah, do all them fun jazz. And yeah, so stay fresh, stay clean, and I'll see you guys in the next scene. Yeah.